Toast TV in the lab. Yes, 50 cal Dr. Peppers is back. We loading them up. Switched it out though. Instead of the 20 frame, I'm using the 21 frame with the gold accents on it and the laser. So it's gonna get that 50 cal, quite the look. Oh yeah, I like that. Definitely like that on that. That's the beauty of this 50 GI slide and frame compatibility. So we're gonna test it out on the 21 today. Oh, I'm gonna have some fun. 50 cal with a laser. Oh yeah. But I took that P80 and I put the 20 slide on that. So it's kind of like a mix and match. Got the True Glow U notch. I'm talking about FTX. Then we got the pros on deck, baby. You're gonna see how that runs with the 10mm. That's the 20 frame, and I'm just gonna let sit up for today. The Toast TV, we about to get it in, baby. Reloading 50 caliber. I'm talking about 300 grainers, polymer coateds. Oh yeah.